Managing team permissions in Asana is essential for ensuring that the right people have access to the appropriate information and tasks. This guide will walk you through the basic steps to set up and manage permissions effectively. Step 1. Access your team settings. Navigate to your Asana workspace and select the team you want to manage. Click on the team name in the sidebar to open the Team Settings menu. Step 2. Open Permissions tab. In the Team Settings menu, look for the Permissions tab. Click on it to view the current permission settings for your team members. Step 3. Adjust member roles. Under the Permissions section, you will see a list of team members along with their current roles. Click on the drop-down next to each member's name to change their role to either member, guest, or admin, depending on the level of access you want to grant. Step 4. Set project access. For each project within the team, you can also manage access. Go to the project settings and find the Share section. Here, you can invite new members or adjust existing members' permissions for that specific project. Step 5. Save changes. After making all necessary adjustments, ensure you save your changes. Look for a Save button or confirmation prompt to finalize the updates to your team permissions. By following these steps, you can effectively manage team permissions in Asana, ensuring that everyone has the right level of access to collaborate efficiently.